Welcome to the Neural Network and Deep Learning series brought to you by Shixak Academics. What is a neuron? To keep it simple, neurons are the building blocks of artificial neural networks. Neural networks refer to a group of machine learning algorithms that can perform predictions based on numeric inputs. The inputs are generally fed into a cascade of layers of neurons, which provides the desired numeric response at the end. They're often used for tasks such as classification, regression, and so on. A neuron can take multiple inputs and activate to denote the presence or absence of specific features of the input. The purpose of a neuron is to define boundaries between samples of different categories. While some decision boundaries are pretty straightforward, some can be a little curvy, and some really complex, which is mostly the case in almost all types of data gathered in real life. So we often need more than one neuron to model such complex boundaries. A single neuron can accept multiple inputs. However, each input is multiplied by a weight to signify how much effect each input has on the decision boundary. As the weights vary, the orientation of the decision surface changes. Additionally, there might be other factors which are not dependent on the input but still affect the prediction quality, such as imbalances between the number of samples in each class. These factors can exist as bias in the system, and such biases can shift the decision boundary inside the sample space to prioritize one class over the other. Finally, we can say that a neuron outputs a weighted combination of the inputs and a bias. While this linear combination can produce a numeric value to signify the position of the input with respect to the decision boundary, however, a firm decision requires the neuron to activate and produce responses signifying class values. An activation function does this job of converting the linear combination to output a value such as 1 or -1 to signify if the neuron was activated. While different types of activation functions exist for different types of problems, however, that's a topic for another video. Till then, subscribe to the channel and press the bell for future updates.